Bravo! She will receive ribbons for Batang Mananagat Award, Young Dancer Award, and Eager Beaver Award. Ashley A. Filipino. She will receive ribbons at Kinder Leader Award, Fast Jump Award, Batang Manunulat Award, and Kinder Curious Award. Maria Cristina E. Subion.
Wala nag-picture daw, ano? Ano?
She will receive ribbons for Batang Manunulat Award, Chinese Side Award, Kinder Body Award, and World River Award. Jonalyn S. Unido. She will receive ribbons for Public Speaker Award, Batang Manunulat Award, Fast Jump Award, Friendly Neighbor Award, and Star Reader Award. Iris A. Ryda. She will receive ribbons for Artistic Hand Award, Eager Beaver Award, and Batang Manunulat Award. Rachel S. Sandago. She will receive ribbons for Little Teacher Award, Happy Helper Award, Fast Jump Award, Star Reader Award, and Batang Manunulat Award. Cedriana Rose C. Sumaya. She will receive ribbons for Star Reader Award, Neat Kid Award, Friendly Neighbor Award, Little Teacher Award, Good Communicator Award, Batang Manunulat Award, Young Singer Award, and she will also receive a certificate as participant in kindergarten vocal solo held at the Club Central Elementary School. Coach, Mrs. Vanessa P. Coronejo. Thank you. This time, let us listen to the message of the representative of the awardees